how to turn off this iPhone setting before it's stolen. In this tutorial, I'll show you an important setting you can change to make your iPhone more secure. First, open the Settings app on your iPhone. Scroll down and tap Face ID and Passcode. Enter your iPhone passcode when prompted. Now scroll down to the Allow Access When Locked section. Here, you'll see several features that can be accessed while your iPhone is locked. For better security, consider turning off Control Center. You can also disable other lock screen features you don't want someone accessing without unlocking your iPhone, such as USB accessories, depending on your needs. Next, go back to Settings and tap Face ID and Passcode again. Make sure Stolen Device Protection is turned on if your iPhone supports it. This feature adds additional security requirements when your iPhone is away from familiar locations, helping protect sensitive account and device settings if someone steals your phone. And that's it. These settings can help improve your iPhone security if your device is lost or stolen. If this tutorial helped, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to the channel, and check out more iPhone security tips and tutorials.